This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 78 Bronco. Just so you know that she'll trailer load and everything. Manual steering. This was kind of no air and no power steering. So she was your basic truck. So a perfect blank canvas to do what you want with. Brakes need some work. It's had a new master cylinder, but it still needs some other brake work. We'll run her out to the mile corner here. See, the speedometer works. Like I said, definitely a Project Bronco all the way, but good solid old Bronco to start with. 605-695-7391.